Busyang 18 is nasa daan. And kung saan dito kay Busyang 18 YouTube channel. So, thank you to all of you na nandito sa ngayon. Maraming salamat. Be with me and titingnan natin kung saan tayo mapapadpad for today's vlog. So, together with the UAE team, hito na naman ito guys. So, salamat.
So guys, dito kami mag-celebrate ng birthday ni Madam Dex. O diba, in the Inshallah. Nagsasawa na din kasi kami sa Burj Al Arab. Seriously? Yeah. Imagine, pag ginagay palagi na lang nandun, yung nandun na palagi sa sawa. Environment namin. Kaya I need
Guys, naka-open na yung mga pangalan nila doon sa mga poste. Meron na kaming award doon.
nakikita niyo yung mga pangalan.
Oh, ayun na siya on your right. Ay, on your left pala.
Si Madam Tina ang ingay na din. Kasi
Sa akin.
Dito tayo nag-ano.
O dito tayo naka-check-in sa W Hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been here guys last day.
Last year.
Sa akin naman
Last year.
siya last day nga eh.
Oh, okay, last
Ano
day.
yan?
This is W Hotel. Dito tayo nagrampa-rampa, madam.
Dito kami nagramparang kasi madami yung exciting daw. Oo.
Sabi nakano tayo, nakating tayo ng negative 2. Yung first na pala. Yeah.
So guys, celebration of Madam Dex birthday. So andito kami, magla-lunch. So ayan guys, day Madam Dex.
Si Madam G.
Sino siya? Binati ka? Sinalubong mag-detect.
Madam Chen Aliyah, Madam Dayan Studio, I'm Dexter Yu, Beshi Berna Vlogs is here. Present na naman kami guys to celebrate Madam Dex birthday celebration. O diba? Galing-galing lang dito guys. So, as you can, oh my god, just so lovely. Oh my gosh, this is it. We're here guys. So ang mga magaganda is here once again. So this is it guys. So gosh, this is Mission once again. Nakikiselebrate ng birthday ni Madam Dex Starry. So nandito na lang yung mga ganda ng UAE. Magaganda lang yung
May ganda ang eyelashes talaga. Walang kuman.
diba? May gabi ka lang shoutout.
Pag parang tayo naka-pink, parang tayo
Oo nga.
naka-pink. Video pala yun.
Ang ganda ng painting.
Sa pala sa ano?
That's so,
Kabutik ka.
so oh my God. Happy birthday, Madam Antex. So guys, good afternoon. So Busyang 18 and friends is here celebrating Madam Dex birthday celebration. And eto guys, nandito tayo sa Raffles Jumeirah here in Dubai, and we will check kung dito kami nag-brunch ng UAE team. So Madam Dayan Studio, may principal sponsor is here, Ma'am Jen Aliyah. So kasama namin yung birthday celebrant, Madam Dexter Yu, and also we have Madam Beshi Berna Vlogs, Ma'am Tina. So, nandito kami guys. So, titingnan natin guys kung gaano kaganda itong Raffles Jumeirah of Dubai. So, samahan niyo ako. Itutour ko kayo guys. So, let's go! So, from here guys, so there's stairs right and left. So, dito tayo sa right lang, nasa tamang daan lang tayo guys. So titingnan natin what we can experience on the ground floor. So ito yun guys. So still, we are here. We are here on this place. So as we can see, the big Christmas tree and so wonderful chandelier. Just so lovely. As you can see that one. Look at this at details. Christmas tree in here, how it looks like. So I can touch it. So this is it. This is the one. So the gift, and this one, and still on Christmas feels, still Christmas feels in here. So Busyang 18, ayan si Busyang 18, as you can see, busy sa pag-vlog para may ma-share ako sa inyo guys how it feels na paminsan-minsan we have to treat ourselves as napakasipag ulirang OFW here in United Arab Emirates together with friends na so family oriented. So ayan, nag-spend kami ng aming brunch and so napakaganda guys tong place na. So this is the entrance guys. Pagpasok mo ng hotel na to, so ito yung entrance. So still, it is Christmas feels pa din guys. And ayan. So we are here in Raffles Residences Penthouse, The Palm, Dubai. So ayan guys. So yan, aisle nila guys. So punta tayo on the second level of what we can see in here. So, ayan guys. Just so elegant. Maano mo talaga ang kayamanan ng place na ito. You can feel it. So, the second floor. Napaka-relaxing ng ambience. As you can see. Ayan. And in here, may piano. So, ayan, napaka-relaxing ng place. So, ganda din dito mag-date. Ayan, may nag-date guys. So, this is it. Ang dami dito nagtatambay. So, ako, tinur ko lang talaga kayo. So, tingnan natin guys thank you sir. Tingnan natin what's in here guys. So, ayan. Diba? The sounds. The place. Parang nasa palace ka. Seems like you are in the palace, as you can check this one, and the gardens just so lovely. You can feel that one. So take it focus. Diba? Seems like you are in a palace, guys. You can check it out. Going to the side, what else we can see on this side? So napaka-relaxing ng place. So this is Jumeirah, Dubai side of UAE. So aside from maganda mag-lunch dinner in here with your loved ones, so ayan guys, they have merong pa bird. Ayan. So may kasama ako, sinamahan ako ng bird na ito. Ayan, lumipad na siya. So, meron. So, from there, guys. So, we have this one. So, makikita nyo yan, guys. And, dahil nga buffet yung kinuha naming brunch for today, so, pwede ka din, guys, mag-order ng mga dyan, ayan, merong barbecue side. So, it's all you can, guys. Kasi brunch yung kinuha namin. And merong pool, as you can see, that one. And ayan. Ayan siya guys. May pa-pool. And napakagandang Christmas tree ulit. O, diba? So, yung beside that one is, as you can see, overlooking pa din yung Burj Al Arab and yung beach talaga, the swimming pool. So, we have this one, then fountains. So, from there, from our Christmas tree, over there, so there is fountains. So, as you can see. So, ito yung enjoy namin na view as of today's vlog with the UAE film. Ayan. So, ito yun guys. So, ayan. Ayan guys. The UAE team and the Shuberna Vlogs is there. Madam Dexter, you, Hanjan Olivia, Ayan Studio is also there. So, dito yung nag-branch guys. So, ayan sila. Nasa baba. So, ayan, chill na lang kami kasi busog na. Kaso, marami pa kami pwedeng kainin and nag-enjoy pa din kami sa place na to. Kaya, tumatambay-tambay lang kami. So, the main course done. Nagsalad-salad na din si Busyang 18. Nakapag-coffee pa din siya. And, kung anong gusto mo pang kainin, so, okay lang mag-order. Ayan, guys. So, ito yun, guys, is ito yung makikita natin dito sa Raffles, Palm Jumeirah. Guys, dami dito nagsi-celebrate together with the family, friends. So, ayan sila. Seems like they. So, ayan guys. Busyang 18. Thank you for being with me. So, ayan. Sorry, thank you. So, ayan guys. So, napaka-easy lang talaga. So, Busyang 18 guys. Busyang 18 saying that just stay simple, beautiful, healthy, and young. God bless us all. God bless our 2024. So, come on. Discover natin yung magandang world na kayang i-offer ng world kay Busyang 18. That God is so good to Busyang 18. So, ito yun guys. The beautiful places na hindi na niya talaga ina-expect na ma-experience niya in her life. So, ayan guys. So, meron tayo ditong customized piano.